company, always on the run, a destiny, oh, it's the rising sun. I was born, a shotgun in my hands, behind the gun, I'll make my final stand.
Yes, I'm saying that because right now they're fighting us and they're getting us in the open and they're killing us with those tanks. But here, from here to here, there's a narrow opening that they have to come it up to get us out of here. Now, one of the things they're probably going to try and do is airstrike. So what I want to do is have like 2 or 3 lines of infantry spread about 30 to 40 yards apart and let them come at us. Now if our first line of infantry gets wiped out, then the second line moves up and takes their place. Then the first line goes back, respawns, comes back. Y'all get it? Wow, it's gonna go up and you're gonna get killed. Come on. Yeah, you know. Just let the
Master the big word. Holy shit, why are there so many of us right here? Sit down and say.
Isn't that guy right there?
Yeah.
You can't leave up because he controls the whole area.